back. Time now for a quick market update. Let's take a look at what's up on the market wall.
Well, there is nervousness and jitters continue on the Lal Street. What a day of trade. It's been extremely volatile to say the least. We started the day with a negative bias consolidated in the morning session, but by midday, the market sunk almost 600 points on back of the knee-jerk reaction coming in on those geopolitical concerns between North and South Korea. However, we recovered towards the time we shut shop, the Nifty regaining that 5,900 mark, ending the day with about 1% losses. 59.34 is what we shut shop at. Volatility also took a pretty sharp hike, and you also saw that the broader markets declined in line with the benchmark indices. Of all the 50 stocks on the Nifty, you had about 45 stocks ending in the red, with only 5 stocks that actually gained in trade today. Those are the top losers on the Nifty. SAIL was down 3.5%, Power Grid lost at about 3% SBI and Reliance Industries were amongst the other top losers coming in on the Nifty. All sectoral indices ended the day in the red. Well, let's quickly take you to the metals, real estate stocks, because those are the ones that actually once again saw a sharp decline coming through on back of rising risk aversion. HDL was off 6%. India Bulls, Unitech and DLF continue their losing streak, losing in the range of about 1 to 6% in the real estate pack. Well, a quick look at a sector that actually outperformed the broader markets. That was the fertilizer space. After being fairly subdued in yesterday's trading session, most of the fertilizer counters ended the day on a positive note, a lot of those being urea makers. RCF was up 12.5%. Volumes as well were huge. 7.14 million stocks exchanged hands. FACT, Chambal and Nagarjuna fertilizers were amongst the other losers, while Coromandel and Zuari were the other two losers that continued to losing from yesterday as well. Mid-cap stocks saw pretty decent action picking up in trade today. Sangam India gained about 14.5% on back of a block deal, which was about 22% of the complete outstanding stock. So that was a big positive for the counter. Emphasis on back of good numbers, gained 8.5%, largely outperforming the IT pack. Jen Irrigation and an upgrade from Morgan Stanley gained about 6.5%, and Bharti Shipyard gained about 4% on back of that acquisition of Temba, which is a shipmaking company in Chennai. The company acquired, Bharti Shipyard acquired about 51% stake on that company. That was the markets, but of course what's going to be extremely important and crucial is to watch out for what happens in trade tomorrow, because of course you will have reactions coming in from Wall Street on this geopolitical tension, and of course most of the Asian markets already shut shop. By the time those tensions are picked up in South Korea, you will see most of those markets reacting. So of course what we'll be doing is pretty much reacting once again to those global cues.
Now, well, Somdev Varman has created history by becoming the first Indian to win a gold medal in the men's singles tennis event of the Asian Games after he outplayed top seed and world number 44 Denis Istomin. Somdev had a very comfortable victory over Istomin in 2 straight sets, that is 6-1 to 6-2. Well, just yesterday, Dev Varman and Sanam Singh bagged a gold for India, taking the gold medal tally to 6. No Indian player had played in the gold medal match in the men's singles before Somdev, and the country had 3 bronze medals to show so far at the Games.
I really like to, call, give my mom a call, give my dad a call, see how they're feeling, and yeah, just let the feelings sink in.
And on the cricket pitch, India have beaten the world number 8 team. They won 1-0, but it really should have been at least 2-0, since India needs to get far more ruthless if they want to win their first test series in South Africa.
For the first time in this series, the Kiwis truly look like a number 8 test side. They didn't even last 2 sessions on day 4, and that means an extra day off for the likes of MS Dhoni, who have been rested for the first 2 one-dayers against the Kiwis.
I'm happy to get a break, and hopefully these 10 to 15 days will really help me, go well in the coming series, because I feel, the physical aspect you can still manage, but, when you are mentally drained out, then it's always best to take a break.
Rahul Dravid took the Man of the Match award for his 191, while Harbhajan Singh was the man of the series for scoring 315 runs and getting 10 wickets.
We have to play much better cricket than what we have played in this series to win the series in South Africa.
As for the Kiwis, this is how they went from 24 for 1 to 175 all out. Brendan McCullum unable to provide an encore of the double ton he came up with in Hyderabad. Harbhajan Singh was among the wickets thanks to this great catch from Gautam Gambhir. Gauti has been quoted as saying that his knee injury isn't getting any better by fielding so much at short leg. Ishant Sharma proved to be a good replacement for the injured Zahir, taking 7 wickets in this game. Suresh Raina has 5 wickets in this series while his batting average is 6. Clearly that's a concern. What is not a concern is that India truly deserves the world number 1 ranking. They have not lost a test series since losing to Sri Lanka in July 2008.
Well, that's all we have at the moment. Coming up now is Ungal Sethi. Thanks for watching.